Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy, and in this video I will be unboxing an iPod Touch 6th generation right now that I bought off of eBay for about $60. So I'll go ahead and put a screenshot of the listing up right now. And so without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing. So now this is a 32 GB model that should just be running iOS 12. So now we have the actual iPod. It's packaged pretty decently. There we go. This is a space gray one, as you can tell. And now as of this unboxing, I will have my iPod Touch collection complete. Let's go ahead and see if this... Okay, this is not this is flat, but as you can tell, it's running iOS 11 or 12 as expected. So I will go charge this up, and then I'll be back with you once this is booted up. Okay, so this iPod Touch so I got this iPod Touch all set up now, and as you can tell, it's in pretty decent condition, but if we go into settings, general, and about, as you can tell, this is indeed running iOS 12.4.1 and is a 32 GB model, meaning that this definitely has a terrible battery life in it. But yeah, this is exactly as advertised, and I am pretty happy now to have my iPod Touch collection completed with all the models. So as always, thanks for watching this video, and I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.